9797 East Bay Meadows Drive. Welcome home. So I'm very excited to show you this grand property. This house offers, I think, pretty much everything you can think of. You notice that you just came through the solid mahogany wood double doors. Look at the ornate detailing on those doors, absolutely gorgeous. We are now standing in the foyer. You can see the staircase there to my right, and we have a beautiful living room and dining room area. You'll notice that there's plantation shutters throughout the house. So if you want to close off some of that natural light, you absolutely can. There's also lots of extra windows, transom windows, and just some really cool places in this house. So as we walk through, I'm going to tell you a bit about the home and all of the extra features. We'll go ahead and start right here on the master. The master bedroom is right off of the formal living and dining room area. This house, you'll notice as you look through the windows, has been designed with panoramic water views around both sides and the back of the home. So you're seeing water through every window. This is a very spacious master bedroom, as you can see, with the vaulted ceilings. We are sitting on 6 lots, which total 3.65 acres. And they're all waterfront. There's over 1,000 feet of water frontage. This is the master bathroom. You've got a warming light above me. You've got the double sink vanity. You've got the jacuzzi tub with this amazing window, again, overlooking the water, a view of the pool from the tub. Just a really great space. Tons of storage in this house. Bathroom set up with the bidet and the toilet. Nice shower for the master bathroom. And then we've got pool access here. So this would be your pool bath as well. So that enters right out to the heated in-ground pool. Right off of the bathroom here, there are 2 very nice size master closets. And of course the pocket doors separating the bedroom from the bathroom. One of the things I think is really great here is when you use that bathroom as a pool bath, you can close that off as well. So you still have the privacy of the master bedroom, but keeping with having a bathroom there for guests when they're using the pool. All right, so we're going to go ahead and check out this entertainer bar area. So this is a really awesome feature of this home. This home is definitely designed for entertaining with friends. You've got a wet bar set up here with some nice seating area. There's cabinets where you can store things. You've got the mini fridge, got a nice little wine rack ready to go, and then some extra storage. So nice little nook. I love these nooks under the stairwells because they just provide such great storage that you wouldn't have otherwise. We're going to head upstairs. We've got mahogany wood floors going up the staircase and then up on the 2nd floor. And check out this balcony up here. So this is a great place where you get to get a nice view of the rest of the house. We've got some pretty crown molding. An extra kind of bonus loft area here that you can do a lot of different things with. And then upstairs, I'm going to show you here, we have 3 bedrooms, all with the wood floors. This is a Jack and Jill setup here. So we've got a bathroom, tub, shower combo that connects to the other bedroom. Very good sized bedrooms. And then the 3rd bedroom, which I love the horse theme of this room, by the way. And the 3rd bedroom has its own ensuite bath with a shower. So this truly is, I think, a blank canvas where you can really make this home what you would like it to be and what's most functional for you. There's just so much space here. It's over 5,300 square feet of living area. And so whether you have a big family or you just want a large home to spread out, be able to have guests and entertain. I know living in Florida, it's nice to have the space so that when people come to visit, they can feel comfortable, they can have their own privacy, and this house really affords you that opportunity. This is the half bath for guests that aren't staying overnight. Then we have the laundry room here. Nice setup with lots of cabinets, a linen, or not linen, but a utility closet there, and of course a sink. Again, a lot of storage. Another pocket door here, so we can close that space off as well. This then is a bonus room, and you can see it's being used as a gym right now. But what a great space. We've got the skylights, so you get that refreshing light flowing in as you're exercising, or if you want this to be anything else, a craft room, an office. And this here is the safe room. So this room is completely closed in. If in the event that we have hurricane scares or tornadoes or any of those scary weather issues, you have a place that you can duck into and feel very safe. This is the garage. It is a 2-car garage, but it's got extra space in the back. The holding tank is here in the garage. There's a door there, as you can see, that accesses the yard, and the pull-down attic stairs, so you can go up into the attic and have some extra storage up there as well. So now let's check out the other wing of the house. Huge kitchen, Corian countertops, stainless steel appliances. You've got the prep sink over here, and then the other sink over on this side. Just very well appointed kitchen. I love these 2 pantry areas, so you're certainly not lacking in any pantry space. And so the pantry's on both sides of the kitchen. A lovely decorative area here, whatever kind of collectibles or even china. I think that would make a really nice china cabinet as well. So then you have another kind of an eat-in area, but you can see you've got a ton of bar area around the kitchen as well, and then you could set up a table here as well if you'd like. Bonus loft up the spiral staircase, so that makes an excellent all-purpose area, game room. I think I would probably put my office up there. You go up, you get started for your workday, and you're probably not coming back down until the day's over. So that would be kind of a helpful tool to make sure you stay on task and focused. Huge living room, or family room, we'll call this one, with the fireplace. We've got enough space to have a pool table, as you can see, and we've got sliders out to the great pool out back. And look at these walls. The detailing of this wood, absolutely gorgeous. So a lot of really neat features that you don't get in your typical homes. All right, so now we head outside. We're looking at the pool now. We see the beautiful water views. We've got a outdoor kitchen set up. I would make that a double-sided fireplace. I think that would be spectacular to have a wood-burning fire out here as well. If you think about those crisp winter evenings, that would be just lovely. Nice big pool. Again, it is solar heated. And you can see the water. This is Davis Lake, which is part of the Salapopka chain of lakes. I can provide you with a map that shows you all the waterways and how they connect, but this house gives you access to all of the areas that the Salapopka has to offer. And the big deal out there, I mean, besides the fact that water is just tranquil and beautiful, you also have the benefit of the fishing. So if you like to fish, Salapopka is a really attractive location for bass fishing and other great fish as well. So I'm going to walk you out here so you can get a better look, better view of the water. So you can see this is very natural, which keeps it very private. You certainly could have this dredged out and opened up a bit more, but as it stands right now, you do have access to get out to the open water that is has a lot more boating activity. So it's definitely navigable. If you look to the left here, this is the rest of your 3.65 acres. It wraps all the way around to the cul-de-sac on the other end of the street. So you pretty much own this entire block of Bay Meadows Drive, which I think is pretty cool. And of course, having multiple lots gives you a lot of options. You could, if you don't want all of the acreage, you could sell off some lots. You could build and make a family compound, building on the other lots. You also have a little bit more control over HOA decisions because you have more voting rights with the additional lots. So this is a very unique offering. Something like this does not come up every day. So I do want you to keep that in mind. A nice fenced in yard if you have any pets. This is a great space. It connects to the pool so they can come in and out through the side of the house or the pool area. We've got solar panels on the well pump, which allows you to make sure that your well is still running even if we have a power outage. And that's a big deal in Florida because certainly you want to keep your water flowing, and we do have times that we lose power. So really nice setup there. So I'm going to walk you over this way onto the acreage. I want you to see the beautiful water frontage, and I also want to show you right over here we have the grove of fruit trees. There are pears, there are grapefruit, there's persimmon. Let's see. If you know what these trees look like, you can probably identify them for yourself. I certainly am not good at that, so forgive me, but there is a lot here. So this is a really fun space that's already set up for you. You just need to maintain it and enjoy the harvest. But hopefully you can see how beautiful this is. It's shaded. It's very fragrant. Just an awesome package. So we have a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath pool home in Inverness on Davis Lake, which is part of the Salapopka Lakes, with a total of 3.65 acres. This house is just hitting the market, and I would certainly encourage you to reach out if you are interested in living this amazing lifestyle out here. This is a very quiet community. You don't get through traffic. It is a very intimate and private community of Bay Meadows at 7 lakes. So if you'd like more information, my team and I are ready to assist, answer any questions you have. I'm Ruth Squires, your realtor on demand with RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. 352-794-1426. And we are with Keller Williams Realty. Have a great day.